Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to import a character from Roblox into Blender. First, open up Roblox Studio. Go to the toolbox, switch to the plugin section, and install the plugin called Load Character Light. Once it's installed, head over to the Plugins tab and click on Load Character Light. Type in the username of the Roblox character you want to use, then choose either an R6 or a 15 model and click Enter. After your character loads in, go to the Explorer panel. Select all the important parts of your character, then right-click and export them as an OBJ file. Save it somewhere you can easily find later. Now switch over to Blender. Go to File, then Import, and select wavefront.obj. Locate and import the file you just exported. Before importing, make sure to enable the following options to keep the parts separated, so everything doesn't come in as a single object. And that's it. Your Roblox character is now inside Blender and ready to use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.